Hello, good morning viewers. Welcome to BJ Maths Academy. This is Babaya Jamalpur. So మీరు కొత్తగా నా వీడియోస్ చూసినట్లయితే please subscribe and click on bell icon. Now enter into the topic. The topic is trigonometry. This is the third video and do these problems before the exercise 1.1. So what are the do these problems? First one is find sin c, cos c, tan c in adjacent figure. They are given some values. So what is given? BC side given, AC side given, and AB side is not given. So when we are known three sides of a right triangle, then we are getting all ratios. But here only two sides given, so that's why we can find the next side by using the Pythagoras theorem. Solution by the Pythagoras theorem. By the Pythagoras theorem. What is that Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse base square plus height square is equals to hypotenuse square. It is very important in the trigonometry. What is that? Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Base square plus height square is equals to hypotenuse square. Now here, what is the base in a triangle AB? What is the height? BC. What is the hypotenuse? AC. So here AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. Now first of all, AB is equal to how much given? Not given. That's why I take as it is AB square. And next BC square is equal to how much given? 5 centimeters. Means 5 square. And AC square is equal to how much given? 13 square. So from that, AB square plus 5 square is equal to how much? 25. That is equal 13 square is equal to how much? 169. So 13 square is nothing but 13 into 13. That is equals to, we are getting 169. Now 5 square is nothing but 5 square is equals to 5 into 5. That is equals to, we are getting 25. Next, from that, so 169. So AB square plus 25 will becomes minus 25. AB square is equals to 169 minus 25. Plus 169 as it is written, and plus 25 will becomes minus 25. So from that, AB square is equals to 169 minus 25 is equals to 144. 169 minus 25. 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. 6 minus 2 is equals to 4, and 1 is remaining. 144. Now AB is equals to, this square will become root 144. So root 144 is equals to, so 144 root 144 is equals to 12, because root 144 means we can write it 12 square. 12 into 12 is equals to 144. That's why, so 12 square we can write it 1 instead of 144. So square root get cancelled, we are getting 12. Means 144 ni 12 into 12 రాసుకోవచ్చు. 12 into 12 అంటే 12 square. So square root get cancelled 12. So here the side AB is equals to how much? 12. The side AB is equal to how much? 12. So it is that the third side AB. The third side AB. Now next we can find out sin C, cos C and tan C. We can find out sin C, cos C and tan C. First one is sin C. Sin C is equals to what? We know that. So the formula, opposite side of angle C by hypotenuse. So what is given? Sin C means we can take angle C, but sin A means we can take angle A. So here given C, that's why I have taken angle C. So what is the opposite side of angle C? Angle C opposite side is AB. What is that? AB. By hypotenuse is what is that? AC. So now AB value is how much? 12. By AC value is how much? 13. It is the sin C. Now next to cos C. Second one is cos C. Cos C is equal to what is that? Adjacent side of angle C by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side of angle C? Angle C adjacent side is, it is adjacent, it is hypotenuse, and it is the opposite side. So here, what is the adjacent side of angle C? Adjacent side of angle C is BC. By what is the hypotenuse? AC. Now BC by AC. So BC is equal to how much? 5 centimeters. By AC is equal to how much? 13 centimeters. So it is the cos C. Now next, third one is tan C. Now third one is tan C. So what is tan C? Tan C is equal to opposite side of an angle C by adjacent side. Means opposite side and adjacent side. By adjacent side of angle C by of angle C. That is equal to, what is that opposite side? AB. By what is the adjacent side? BC. So here AB by BC. AB is equal to how much? 12. And BC is equal to how much? 5. 12 by 5. It is that tan C. What is that? Tan C. So from that we are getting sin C is equal to 12 by 13, cos C is equal to 5 by 13, and tan C is equal to, we are getting 12 by 5. It is the first problem. Now go to the second problem. Now what is the second problem? In triangle XYZ, angle Y is right angle and XZ is equal to 17 centimeters. They are given, not given diagram. So XZ is equal to 17 centimeter and YZ is equal to 15 centimeter. Then find sin X, cos Z and tan X. So from this data, we can draw the diagram. So what is that? XYZ is the right triangle and the angle Y is equal to 90 degrees. So what is that? Angle Y is right angle and one is X, one is Z. So here XZ is equal to how much given? 17 centimeters and YZ is equal to how much given? 15 centimeters. Next we have to find out sin X, cos Z, tan X. But in a figure we know the two sides and we can find the third side, that is XY, by using the Pythagoras theorem. By using the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. We can write this anyway. So it is like LHS, it is RHS also no problem, or LHS RHS also no problem. So now go to that. Hypotenuse square, how much? 17 square is equal to base. Base is X, sorry, before going to that. Hypotenuse is XZ square. Base is XY square. And height is YZ square. So when you are observing the figure, it is the base, it is the height, and it is the slope is nothing but hypotenuse. Now go to that. XZ is equal to how much? 17 square. And XY is equal to how much? Not given. Right as it is. XY square. And YZ is equal to how much given? 15. So 15 square. So 17 square is equal to how much? 289. So 17 square how we are getting? 17 square is equal to 17 into 17, that is equals to 289. And next to xy square as it is, 15 square is equal to how much? 225. 15 square is equals to 225. Now plus 225 will becomes minus 225. So 289 minus 225 is equals to xy. Now from that 289 minus 225 we can subtract it. 9 minus 5 4, 8 minus 2 6 and 2 minus 2 0. That means 64. 64 is equals to xy square. 15 square is equals to xy square. Now this square will become root 64. Root 64 is equals to xy. Root 64 means we are getting 8. So, but plus or minus 8. But here distance is not cannot be negative. That's why xy is equals to 8 centimeters. Therefore, xy is equals to 8 centimeters. Now we are getting that 3 sides. So we know the 3 sides. We can find out sin x, cos z and tan x. So what is the first one? Sin x. First one is sin x. Sin x is equals to means angle is x here. Angle is x. So sin x is equals to what? What we know that about sin x? Opposite side of what is the angle? X. Opposite side of angle x by hypotenuse. So opposite side of angle x. Angle x opposite side, what is that? So this opposite side means yz. Yz by, and what is the hypotenuse? Xz. So yz is equals to how much? Yz is equals to 15 and xz is equals to 17. Therefore sin x is equals to 15 by 17. Is there any cancellation? We can cancel. Otherwise, that is only answer. Now go to that cos z. What is that? Cos z. But before going to that, we can solve it tan x. This is the first one. Now third one is tan x. Why we are taking tan x before? Already we have solved by using the angle is x. That's why we can go to again tan x. Tan x is equals to opposite side of angle x by adjacent side of angle x. So what is the opposite side of angle x? Is yz. By what is the adjacent side of angle x? Xy. So yz is equal to how much? 15. And xy is equal to how much? 8. So 15 by 8 is the tan x. Now go to that cos z, second one. So cos z means what? So the adjacent side of angle z by hypotenuse. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. So cos z is equals to adjacent side of angle. What is given? Angle z. That's why adjacent side of angle z by hypotenuse. Now adjacent side of angle z. So angle z, where is it? Not x, z. So adjacent side of angle z is yz. What is that? Yz. Because it is beside, that is only adjacent. And next to hypotenuse is common, that is xz. So yz is equals to how much? 15. And xz is equals to 17. It is that cos z. Now what is the first one? Sin x is equals to 15 by 17 and tan x is equals to 15 by 8 and cos z is equals to 15 by 17. So here we are getting the same answers. Don't confuse here. This is sin x. It is not cos x. It is the cos z. Even cos x means we are getting the different answer. But here we are taking the z. That's why angles has changes. That's why values also we are getting the same. So this is that. First to do this problem and second do this problem. Now